Hi guys. So today I got a package. This is sweet potatoes from Gurney's, and we are going to put potato slips into the ground over here. I have this little window of opportunity to get these sweet potatoes in. So upon receiving your sweet potatoes, you'll find that they're a little wilty. Well, that's to be expected. They have been in shipment, by the way. So, and they may be a little bleachy colored, maybe a little vibrant and like a yellowy green, but that's okay because they will grow lush and beautiful and you'll be the talk of the town. If you want, you can put them in a little vase with water or maybe a Coke bottle, the glass kind, really cute glass kinds, and put them in the windowsill as long as it's facing the sun. And yes, you can show off to your friends and family. Now, the sweet potato is related to the morning glory, and if you ever seen morning glory in its prime, it is absolutely gorgeous, even though out here in the garden it is a weed and it drives me nuts. And if you want, you don't have to put them in the ground. You could put them in a hanging basket, and they're just beautiful. They'll hang and drape, and great for accenting those beautiful flowers. I might just do that. Maybe. Also, this is Gurney's, but other farmers may actually snip off all the leaves there. You may just get bare slips, and that's okay. Now, most people prefer a sandy, loamy soil. However, sweet potatoes will grow anywhere in all 50 states of America and all across the world. Any type of soil, it doesn't matter. Garden soil, potting soil, sandy soil, fertilized, unfertilized, it doesn't matter. Your sweet potatoes are really tough. Today, I will be adding some fertilizer, but not just any fertilizer. It's actually manure, and it's rabbit manure. And my rabbits have been producing all winter long, and now that it's spring, we're going to add it to this particular garden. That's all I have. And hopefully, the rabbit manure is cold. What that means is you can put it directly into the garden without it aging. Most soils, most manure will have to take about 3 months to age. My rabbit manure is ready. It even has worms in it. Yes! In fact, I'll show you. I'm ready. That's cool. Little bunny hair too. Yeah. What delights a gardener. Now these particular sweet potatoes, let me get them again. These particular sweet potatoes are in a very dry moss because they have been in shipment, and a lot of times if your shipment is delayed, it will be extra dry. Although these, it's a little moist. It wasn't that delayed. In fact, I think they came pretty quickly. So you don't have to worry about that. But if they are extra dry, just position them in a very moist soil and you shouldn't have a problem. But do not wet the stems or the leaves, just the soil. Not just moss, but they also are placed in sawdust. Why? Because that will keep the plant strong and healthy for days. Like I said about the color before, but if they're yellow or slimy or have an odor that is unbearable, still plant them. They'll be okay. You may not be, but they will be. However, they are to be 8 inches apart. I have a lot here. We'll see if that works out. If not, I'm gonna go in between them. If I end up with smaller sweet potatoes, so be it. There's only 2 of us, my husband and I, who are eating them. So be it. I may share with my daughter and my son-in-law, but and my grandson, he's so cute. And yeah, we'll just have to deal with it because I'm a backyard grower and I just don't have the room. We are going to take one out. Here we go. Okay, see that? We are going to put this well into the ground, but not this part. This part stays out of the ground. This stays in the ground. Do not cover up the bud, which is right here. Make sure that soil is moist and pour some water in the hole that you create for your root. Then firm up the soil. And if a frost unexpectedly shows up or it gets really cold, just cover them up. They have different fabrics you can cover with, or just put a sheet over them, depending how cold it gets. And a little tidbit, the baby sweet potatoes, the smaller ones, are called baby bakers. And the large ones are called jumbos. Now here in the north, sweet potatoes grow very well. However, they also grow very well in Louisiana, Georgia, and North Carolina, which are traditionally sweet potato states. And it tells us, the instructions tell us that we are to make a ridge, put the sweet potatoes in, and then hill them up in a sense. Kind of like a russet. And if you have black plastic down, you may want to remove it within a month. The use of fertilizer is your choice, and let's get that rabbit manure in. Look at that. Yes. There you go, buddy. The luxury of living in the city. Darn squirrels. You'll see that this one has a lot going on. We got this. We got these. And we got these. You can separate them and make more slips, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Do 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 do. All right, just so you know, this is the roots I'm dealing with from the cherry tree. They're everywhere. They come up through the grass too. That's the last row. And then we'll add a second row going this direction on the end where I piled all the dirt, and call it a day. So, hope I don't have dirt in my teeth. But I'm going to wrap this up because my daughter's on her way with my grandson, and I'm going to help her watch the kid while she does her homework. She's going back to school. Yay, exciting. So remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless and have an awesome day. Until next time, I truly, truly appreciate you liking and subscribing and coming back to watch my channel. And remember to watch the videos all the way through. God bless.